Welcome to day 89 of my startup journey, which is about using AI in sales to make world a better place.
We're making the world a better place through Paxos algorithms for consensus protocols.
And we're making the world a better place through software-defined data centers for cloud computing.
A better place through canonical data models to communicate between endpoints.
A better place through scalable, fault-tolerant distributed databases with ACID transactions.
Making world a better place has been a standard constant in every entrepreneur's pitch. But I think AI has finally exposed the real face of all tech entrepreneurs, including myself. I mean, I have been doing some self reflection, and there's no way I can believe that AI is for good. I think the dangers of AI far outweighs the positives that come out of it. Let me tell you why I believe that, and still, while believing that AI is destructive force, I still continue to immerse myself in AI, in making AI solutions. And well, I'm pretty sure people will argue that AI is just a tool. It's up to you how you use it. You can use it for bad, destructive purposes, or you can use it for a constructive purpose. But why I think AI is destructive is because it's not just a tool, it's a very, very powerful tool. It's probably going to be as powerful as a nuclear weapon. See, machines, just look at the history. Whatever machines can do a little better than human beings at a certain point of time, they do it so much better over time that there's no place that humans can compete with it. It happened with computation, mathematical computation. So I remember in the past there were people like my own dad, my father. He was so good at maths, he could multiply 3 or 4 digit numbers together in his head, and he was a miracle. And then there were people who could memorize all series of phone numbers and all sorts of political, geographical, it used to be called general knowledge data. But all of these people, and they all got obsolete with computers. And now AI is actually moving into these zones of creativity, problem solving. I mean, it's just a matter of time where AI will be 10-20% better than human beings, and that's already a point where everybody will lose job. But then after it becomes 100 times or 200 times, it's just a massive power to which humans cannot respond. They will not be able to comprehend, they will not be able to respond, to really fight against that force. And imagine this super intelligent thing that can do everything 100 times better than human beings have, and has no fears, no inhibitions. It is just ready to die and create like hundreds of copies of itself. It's a nightmare. Existence of something as powerful as this is itself a huge danger to the society. It's like nuclear weapons. Some countries have it. Of course, a lot of companies have signed protocols not to create those, but still, just the fact that countries have these nuclear weapons is dangerous for society. Or just like having a gun in the house, you know what can happen with that. So having AI around us like that, it is, I mean, just invitation for the destructive elements, terrorists, people who are doing shootings in the school. It will be available to everyone. And yeah, there will be government, there will be police, but you know how police works even in today's world. Most important thing to realize is that we are already doing good. We are already not having enough work. We have to actually go out of our way to exercise ourselves, to actually sweat a little bit, and to tire ourselves, to lose weight. So we actually need more exercise, more. We do not need machines to replace us anymore. Yes, we do need to solve a lot of problems which are around food, maybe in the poor countries, and also about medical problems. But we are not throwing money at those things. We are throwing money on creating AI for creating fake agents, fake news. And so it exposes like how, if someone was really just motivated about creating world a better place, wouldn't they focus completely on the diseases that are still unsolved? Just focus all your energy into that, because everything else is solved, right? but it's not happening. People are just focusing on the AI because that's where they can make money by replacing people, get displacing them out of their jobs. All right, guys, having said that, I'm also here doing the same. I'm also trying to understand AI to build my own solution. For now, what the solution I have come up with in my head is not about replacing anyone, but that doesn't mean that I will not make a solution that can replace people to earn more money. Because, okay, I'll just tell my point of view. Things are anyways going there. People are already doing it. It's not like me doing it or not will create any difference. So for me, all that matters is to make my own money. And in future, maybe I'll also not have a job, but probably I will have some money by doing this startup. Let's see.